In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Payoneer app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right Payoneer app, you need to go ahead and look for this app called Play Store and then tap on it on your Android smartphone. Once you are here, now use this search bar on top or a search icon down below to search for your app by its name. So I'll go ahead and just search for the app like this and tap on search here, and you can see we have our Payoneer business payment app here. To know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Payoneer niche, and at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.6 with over 146,000 reviews, and currently it has over 10 million downloads. The average file size is averagely 50 MBs, and this is the current logo for this app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Payoneer app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open here to start using it. Or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see your Payoneer app here. Go ahead and tap on it, and here is your welcoming interface for this app. Now from here, you can now go ahead and create your own account. If you are new, register here. But if you already have an account, go ahead and tap on I already have an account. Then enter your email and password to log into your account. So that's how you can install the right Payoneer app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.